Well, there ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe. It don't matter anyhow. Well, there ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe, if you don't know by now. When your rooster crows at the break of dawn, look out your window and I'll be gone. You're the reason I'm traveling on. But don't think twice, it's alright. Ain't no use in turning on your light, babe, the light that I never known. And it ain't no use in turning on your light, babe, I'm on the dark side of the road. So I wish there was something you would do or say to try and make me change my mind and stay. We never did too much talking anyway, so don't think twice, it's alright. Ain't no use in calling out my name, gal, like you never did before. Ain't no use in calling out my name, gal, I can't hear you anymore. I'm a-thinking and wondering all the way down the road. Once loved a woman, a child, I'm told. I give her my heart, but she wanted my soul. But don't think twice, it's alright. Walking down that long and lonesome road, babe, where I'm bound I can't tell. Goodbye's too good a word, gal, so I'll just say thee a farewell. I ain't saying you treated me unkind, you could have done better, but I don't mind. You just kinda wasted my precious time. But don't think twice, it's alright.